Welcome. In this short video, I will show you how number formatting works in the free online version of Excel for Microsoft 365, and why it matters when you work with financial or statistical data. By the end, you will know the difference between a number's stored value and how it appears, how to apply formats from the Home tab, quick buttons you can use, and how to control decimal places for clean reports. First, understand the difference between value and appearance. When you type 0.5 into a cell, Excel stores the value 1/2. And that stored number is what Excel uses in calculations. You can change how that number looks without changing the stored value. All the formatting tools you need are on the Home tab, inside the number group. Start by selecting the cell or range with the numbers you want to change. Open the Number Format dropdown, which usually shows the word General. From there, you can pick common formats like General, Number, Currency or Accounting, Percentage, Date, Time, or Text. Click the format you want, and the selected numbers update immediately. The number drop-down options are straightforward. General is the default and applies no special formatting. The number shows decimal places. Currency or Accounting adds a currency symbol and formats the number for money. Percentage multiplies the stored value by 100 and adds the percent sign. Date and Time formats change how a date or a time looks, and Text treats the cell contents as plain text. For now, let's choose Currency. For the formats you use most, Excel has quick buttons right below the main dropdown. The Accounting number format applies the default currency style with dollar signs and 2 decimals, so 100,000 becomes $100,000. The percentage style converts a value like 0.15 into 15%. The comma style adds 1,000 separators and shows 2 decimal places, so 1 million becomes 1 million. These buttons save time when you need common formats fast. Controlling decimal places is the last essential skill. Use the decrease decimal button to remove 1 decimal place at a time and the increase decimal button to add more precision. Remember that changing decimal places only affects what you see. If a cell displays $5, but the actual stored value is 4.999, Excel still uses 4.999 in calculations. Rounding only changes the display, not the underlying data. A few quick tips before we finish. Always check the stored value if you need precise calculations. When showing proportions, use percentages so viewers can read numbers easily. Use Currency or Accounting for money, and use comma style for large numbers so they are easier to scan. Select the whole range before applying formats to avoid inconsistent displays. Thanks for watching. If this helped you understand number formatting in Excel online, try these steps on a sample sheet to practice, and you will get comfortable with formatting in just a few minutes.